Hey guys, this is Life Tech. Right here, Sachin De Silva and Joshua Praveen. Today we are going to unbox UNIC UC46 LED projector. Basically, we can buy a projector for more than 15k and that's huge for budget. Now this projector costs for just 5k. This looks really cool, which works faster and best for money. If you want to buy this projector, do check in the description below. And I bought it from Amazon. So let's unbox this bad boy out. This was the projector pack which I took out from Amazon. Now let's open this box out. We have one projector console, one power cable, one projector controller, one component cable, and last but not least, one useless manual. Now let's check out these projector features. We can adjust the focus to get a clear image according to the distance between projector and the screen. Coming to lens part, it looks really cool and glossy. We have some external ports like aux, video out, HDMI, 2 USB ports and one memory card. Right to the bottom, we have a VGA port. On the other side, we have a power card. On the top, we have matte finish right over the bottom and some basic mechanical buttons like power switch, menu, play, pause and navigation keys. Let's check this projector how it works. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, go and smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for more updates. As always, peace out.